Hey guys, welcome back to Pad Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. Hey, if not, thank you for the support. In today's video, I will be reviewing this lovely unit that I have on. I purchased this unit from SUNBER. So if you are interested in this review and this unit, please continue to watch this video. But first, I need you to hit that subscribe button. I post videos every Thursday and Sunday, and you don't want to miss them. Make sure you're following me on all my socials as well. I usually drop the details of a good unit or a good review before it actually hits the channel, so you don't want to miss them. If you're not following me on my POSHMARK store as well, go ahead and make sure you follow me on my POSHMARK store, because a lot of these units I actually resell. So now then, let's get into this video. Okay y'all, so I am back with another wig review. This time this is some human hair drip. I got this lovely little wig from SUNBER. It is 16 inches and it is 4x4. I am going to get into the unboxing and then we will be back to install her and go over my final thoughts.
Por ti mi corazón palpita, siempre he sido tu chiquita. Cuántos te amos van ahorita, yo ya perdí la cuenta. Quiero decirte que te amo. Ya van segundos y te extraño. Que dure siempre esta casualidad, es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Que dure siempre esta casualidad, es que los otros no entenderán lo que se siente ser amigos, ser tan buen amantes, baby, un poquito más. Entre las bromas, ay, yo lo sé, que te enamoraste y yo, bebé, real no soy perfecta, amor que me inyectas.
Okay y'all, so this is my first time trying this company. I purchased this wig with my own little coins because I'm trying to venture out and try some different brands. I do love how flat this wig is. Now I already went in and tinted her. I just put some foundation on the inside. She does come with 2 combs on the side, one in the nape area, as well as adjustable straps. And she comes with an elastic band, which you can adjust to make it tighter. She is supposed to be a glueless wig, and y'all know I have been on this glueless wig train. Like, I have been on a good old rant about the glueless wigs because it's hot, girl, and I need to be able to take this baby off at night. So yes, so we're gonna go ahead and install her and see what she looking like.
I wanna get you all alone now and go hide away from the lights, but I don't dare.
Okay, so right off the back, I already love the curls, and the lace is already looking like it's melted. Do y'all see that? Like, do y'all see what I see? The lace is already looking like it's melted, and I haven't done anything to it. It's already flat. I didn't have to flat iron it. Let me throw this concealer in this part so we can get into this wig. Change of plans. Gonna use my powder foundation. Y'all know I go between powder foundation and concealer. Okay y'all, so this right here is just her from my widow's peak that wanna lay back. Normally I'll slick it back with something, but you know, here we are. Okay, so I absolutely love this wig. Like, first of all, this is it dry. I haven't put any type of product on it. It's soft, no shedding. Like, you guys aren't seeing anything. I'm not seeing anything. It's already this flat. Like, this is straight out of the package. This is what it looks like. Like, this is giving me my natural type 4 hair. Like, this hair, I just got a little bit of shade and then it's like 2 strings. This hair is giving me type 4 natural vibes. Like, I can't wait to like mousse it down and get her going. And as far as like glueless, like, do y'all see that? Like, do y'all see what I'm seeing? Does this look as natural to y'all as it looks to me? I just need to know if I'm tripping or not, because I don't feel like I am. And I'm running my fingers through it because I'm trying to like pull the curls out to see if it grows, because y'all know some curly wigs you get when you pull the hair out, or you know, you run your fingers through them, they start to get bigger. So I'm trying to see if sis gonna grow on me, like if she gonna get big. And it is looking like she is looking how she is looking. Like, I just got a little tangled in, but I didn't have to comb it out. Like, this is, oh my god, y'all, this is a banger. Like, I love this, and I love it even more that I can wear it glueless. Okay, so I feel like it is true to length. It is 16 inches. It is 4x4, so it has the 4 space here and the 4 space here. You should be able to part it in any of those spaces, but if you don't feel comfortable parting it in that space, you can always slide this part to either side that you like to wear your hair to and still rock a nice little natural part. So she is still versatile, even though she doesn't have as much customizable space. But I think that this is a great wig, y'all. Like, I absolutely adore this. I love this. Like, this will be my new go-to. Like, when I'm going out with my girls and I just need something simple, something just to throw on and, you know, still get the job done. Like, I cannot believe there is absolutely no shedding. And this hair is soft. It doesn't have any smells to it. It looks like regular natural type 4 hair. Like, the curls is definitely giving me type 4 vibes. I don't know, y'all comment down below and let me know if this is giving you type 4 vibes or not as well. Since I'm a natural girl that has type 4 hair, I feel like I can comment on type 4 vibes, and I feel like this is definitely giving me type 4 vibes. I can't wait to wet her and mousse her down and really see, you know, what she is giving. Like, I would actually probably go back and like get this in a longer inch. I wouldn't get it in a longer inch for the summer, but I would get it in a longer inch for the fall or the winter time, because this wig is like giving me holiday, vacation, you know, all the vibes. Like, I feel like this wig is perfect for vacation. Actually, if you one of those girls that can wear long hair on vacation, I did it last year, so you know, I can't talk. Whenever I go to the beach, I feel like I'm supposed to wear long hair. I don't know, do anybody else feel like that? Like, if I'm going to the beach, if I'm going to Miami or I'm going to Cancun or I'm going somewhere like that, beach, like, I feel like I am supposed to have some long curly hair, and I could just be tripping. But y'all comment down below and let me know, do y'all feel like y'all should wear long hair to the beach as well? Like, am I crazy? I feel like this would be a good beach wig, like, especially if she was longer. Imagine her in like a 20-inch or like a 22-inch coming down here on me, because y'all know I'm a shorty. Oh yeah, she would be giving me everything. I mean, the 16-inch is giving me everything too, but you know, that 20-inch, 22-inch would be perfect for the beach. I'm just saying. SUNBER hair, thumbs up, you guys. Like, first impressions, this is my first time trying this company, and like I said, I tried it on my own with my own coins, and I am not disappointed. You know, sometimes you get out there and you try to hair and it's a little scary because you don't want to waste your money. I don't want to waste mine anyways. I work too hard for my money. I'm not getting paid from YouTube, so every little coin I get, I need. And so I feel like I definitely got my bang for my buck with this wig. I love it. I love it, guys. Is she big head friendly? Yes. And she comes with that strap in the back where she can be small head friendly too. Medium size head friendly too. So yes, 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Like, I absolutely adore this wig. I love how natural it looks. And I'm not even a person that's really big on middle parts, but I actually like this middle part on me. Like, I don't have the urge to shift it or move it around. I actually like the middle part on this wig. So yeah, comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this. I don't know if I told you, but it has breathable construction material on the inside, so you don't gotta worry about your head getting all hot. You know, again, like I said, this is a good summer wig. And once we get into like fall and winter, of course y'all know I'm gonna pull out the longer hair, because I love long hair during the fall and the winter. So that's given. But comment down below and let me know, have y'all ever heard of this company before? Have y'all seen other YouTubers like review it? What are y'all thoughts? What do y'all think about this? Like, am I the only one that's just hyping this wig up, or is it other people out there talking about it? Let your girl know. Comment down below what you guys think about this unit as well. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I post videos every Thursday and Sunday, and you don't want to miss them. I post a little bit of everything, y'all know. All things beauty, hair, and I post vlogs and hauls. So, you know, go ahead and join the family. Go ahead and join the tribe. We're a happy bunch over here, and we would love to have you. As always, thank you guys for the support, and I will catch you in my next one. Peace.